Hello and welcome to another episode of Elephant English Podcast. Today I'm going to be doing a speaking practice about family, friends and hobbies to help you to practice for your speaking test and to improve your listening skills in English. I'm going to ask some questions and then I'm going to answer them like they do in speaking exams. The first topic is about family. And the first question is, do you have any brothers or sisters? I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I am the youngest because my brothers and sisters are older. They are 33, 35 and 37. Question number 2. Do you think it's important to spend time with family? Yes, I think it's important to spend time with my family because they are very special to me. We have a very good time when we are together and we share happy moments, but they also help me when I am sad or I have a problem. Question number 3. What do you do with your family? When I spend time with my family, we normally play cards or board games like Monopoly or Cluedo while we listen to music from the 80s. We also like to cook together and follow new recipes because it is one of our favourite hobbies. When the weather is nice, we like to spend time in the garden watering the flowers or just sitting in the sun having a conversation. The next topic is about friends. Question number 4. How often do you see your friends? I meet my friends once a week. I meet my friends once a week. I always meet them at the weekend because I never have time during the week. I work from Monday to Friday, so the best days to meet up are Saturdays and Sundays. Question number 5. What do you like doing with your friends? We normally hang out in a park or go to the countryside to go hiking, and afterwards we sometimes go to a cafe or a restaurant to have some lunch or dinner. I don't normally go to the cinema or to the shopping centre with my friends because I prefer to spend time outside enjoying the nice weather. If the weather is bad, we spend time at home and order takeaway food from a restaurant that is in my neighbourhood. The last topic is hobbies. Question number 6. What are your hobbies? I love cooking, painting and doing exercise, but I think that cooking is my favourite hobby. My favourite recipes to make are Asian recipes because they have a lot of flavour and they are delicious. I have a lot of recipe books that I use to make them, and I sometimes follow YouTube videos when I want to make something that is extra special. Question number 7. What is your favourite sport? My favourite sport is badminton. I played badminton when I was younger and I think that it is very fun and competitive. The problem is that there aren't any badminton lessons near my house, so I can't play anymore. It is a shame because I really love it. Question number 8. What do you normally do at the weekend? At the weekend, I always like to relax because I work from Monday to Friday. Sometimes I go to the countryside to go for a long walk along the river or in the mountains. Other times, when the weather is bad, for example, I stay in my city and visit different museums and exhibitions. In the evenings at the weekend, we usually order takeaway food like pizzas or burgers, and we eat them while we are watching a series or a film. In this video, we have talked about family, friends, and hobbies. I hope that it has been useful for you, And if it has, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be making a lot of videos like this. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.